Good morning, everybody. Guys, you got to give me a couple seconds. I didn't even realize what time it was. I was outside feeding some squirrels and some chipmunks. I got to go get my camera ready and the light. Give me 2 seconds to go down and do that. I know I'm late, but we're going to make it. I promise. It's going to be okay. Don't leave. All right, we are. Hey, Pudgy's counting it too. Pudgy, like a damn kid, man. All right, I got to the light. We're about ready to go. I'm gonna post this video to Twitter really quick, so we're good. And all right, let's see. You guys can see, dude. My morning was amazing, man. I made a new chipmunk friend. I made a new squirrel friend. The chipmunk's a baby. Pretty sure the squirrel's a baby too, but. Not 100%. All right. Photo. Give me that video. Yeah, the whole thing. I want the whole thing. All right. Done. Good. All right. Okay. Boom! Got that tweeted out, ready to go. Awesome. And all right, we're gonna be on here in 2 seconds. Yeah. Oh no, man, we gotta take this happy birthday nonsense down now. It's not even my birthday. Hold on. I can't be tricking people. Can't be tricking people. Gotta take my birthday down. Darn it, no longer my birthday. Good morning, everybody. Glad to have you guys in here. Friday morning, we're going to have to see that video on the old tweeter there. So we're going to pull that up in a second. Who do we have first in the chat today? We've got Frank first in the chat. Paul, Pudgy, Cassie, AMC Trapper in the house, baby. Pudgy, Juana Silva. Oh my gosh, Juana. Glad to see you in the chat as well, Juana. You are amazing. Glad to have you here. AMC Trapper, Juana. Buenos dias. How are you? Paul, AMC Trapper, Cassie, we got Paul again, making money, AMC Trapper, that's what I like to hear. We got Paul, James, AMC Trapper, Paul, Pudgy, Warren, Buffett, AMC, Clay Brony, I'm right here, man, I promise. Frank, Pika, late night. Actually, you know what, Pika, I stayed up till about 11:30 last night watching that movie, senior year or something, whatever, with, Rebel Wilson, the girl from Pitch Perfect, where she wakes up from the coma. I don't know, man. I wouldn't stay up till 11:30 watching it. But yes, it was a late night last night, Pika. And a beautiful morning this morning. Warren Buffett. That's what I'm talking about, Remy. Let's go see what we got going on in the market, and then I'm going to show you guys that video if you didn't see it on Twitter already. We've got AMC soaring, flying. AMC doing amazing at $13.18 right now, up about 7.7% on the day. Shiba Inu coin coming back to life there with a couple green candles. GameStop doing pretty well, but it was doing well earlier. Doing better earlier. $131.42. Farmy getting ripped today. Guys, listen. I am losing money on Farmy, but it's gonna be okay. I know. Listen, and it's even worse off than a lot of other stocks because they're facing delisting and a reverse split. But here's the deal. Everything is beaten down right now. So even if I close out a loss and move it over to something else, the market is going to recover. It's going to be good. So use that as an example, is that you have the option every single day to determine your attitude on the things you guys are facing. Ethereum down, Shiba up, Bitcoin down. Guys, it is looking pretty risky for crypto this weekend. Let me put that out there. With Bitcoin retesting these 28s, it is looking pretty risky for crypto this weekend. Sundial down 3. Molinado 99 cents. CEI is sitting at 65 cents. The SPY is up 1.76%. I find it hard to believe that the SPY and NASDAQ are doing so well today, but these stocks are up, 2%, 4%, and 7%. AMC is doing well, but I would have expected bigger gains with the major indices as high as they are. BBIG still having a pretty hard day today, down 3%. Highcroft Mining, $1.26, and Netflix, $193, up 1.23%. Let's see if we can get any green lines here on Farmy, as it is brutally beaten down today, almost 10%. And Hemi Life, man, thank you for the super chat. First time in the live chat as a bro. What's up? We got a green name. Do we have a green name, Hemi chat? Hemi, man, say something in the chat. I want to see your green name. And if it's green, we better have everybody welcoming Hemi chat. First time in the live chat as a bro. Or is he talking green? Is he talking bro like he clicked the subscribe button? I need to know, Hemi chat. Thank you very much for the super chat. Really appreciate you. She ain't silver, she's gold. Remy, Juana is gold, man. She's like platinum. Hey, Glit, according to you, what should be the price of Shiba after the next bull run? KV, okay, this is a decent question. I've thought about it a little, but I can't come up with an accurate number. I can come up with guesses based on previous prices and, I guess increased fundamental value as well. So let's talk about that really quick here. Welcome, Hemi. Hemi's green, baby! Oh, yes, Hemi's green. Guys, as I'm explaining the price of Shiba Inu coin and what I expect it to potentially be, I need to see 37 welcome Hemis in the chat right now, man. You guys know what to do. Welcome, Hemi. Oh, he's green. Oh, yes, JB. AMC Trap says, welcome, Hemi. Welcome, Hemi. JB, welcome, Hemi. Morning. Good morning to you, Nick F. Welcome, Hemi Life. Yes, welcome, Hemi. You guys are amazing. All 37 of you, even if you're audio listeners, please say welcome, Hemi, in the chat right now. That is what we do for all of the green names. Becoming a bro out there. Hemi, you're awesome, man. Let's see. So Shiba Inu coin, everything fundamentally has increased in value since the peak of the market back in October, November of 2021. However, when Shiba Inu coin ran, it outpaced Bitcoin, and we were in a completely different market. So let's just assume, like you're saying, we have a nice bull market come in. We have a solid bull run in Shiba Inu coin and the overall cryptos. Here's a couple things I'm looking for. If Bitcoin retests all-time highs, I expect Shiba Inu coin to retest all-time highs as well. I would still keep that roughly same correlation if Bitcoin is getting ready to retest 70,000. I would expect Shiba Inu coin to be testing anywhere between, because it's more volatile, I'm going to say anywhere between 6,000 and 9,000 points per coin. Now, I know that would be less than the 8,800, but I'm giving it a little leeway there. Couple things that may hinder it, and a couple things that may promote it to go even higher. Clearly, all of the fundamentals for it with the game, the metaverse team, the fact that we are hiring legal consultants and executive consultants for the metaverse and all of these things should inspire, more utility investors to get involved once crypto moves higher. Now, a lot of the run, that speculative run that took place in October, was on Robinhood listing it and what could happen if Robinhood listed it. Now, Robinhood has listed it, so we may not have the same type of FOMO excitement, but I really do think, and that's a may, I really do think that once it starts to run, people are going to get a little crazy again, and it's like we got the shortest mentality that I've ever seen in my life when it comes to cryptos. And I think that they're really going to see that Shiba Inu coin can 8, 9, 10x again, and they're going to start jumping in. So I would expect some sort of a correlation between where Bitcoin was hitting its all-time highs and where Shiba Inu coin was hitting its all-time highs. once it starts to roll around again. And 37 likes. Let's get it, AMC Chapter. Absolutely. Hello, Lisa Hyun Kim. How are you doing? Sup, Clay? Everyone hold your money to invest a few more bad days ahead and don't paper hand Aurelius. I think we might have some bad days ahead, dude, but that is exactly right. Hello, Lisa. And 11 million, 84.5 thousand subscribers and 11 million views. You guys are awesome, man. 11 million views is like, I don't know, dude. You start to feel like you're making YouTube videos when somebody tells you you've had 11 million views. That is nuts. Nick F, thank you for the update. It's you guys, man. It's you guys. I don't have, I don't have 10,000 computer bots around here playing videos or anything like that. So thank you guys very much for contributing to that 11 million views and the 84.5 thousand subs. Clay, excited to see Clay do well last night. You Clays need to stick together. Yeah, JB, me and Clay there. I feel like we both had a good night last night. Mine birthday and him doing well. That was good. I'm always glad to see Clay's doing well. And yeah. Yep. He did good. Clay did good. Yeah, I know he did. Little ones, good morning, Clay. I'm having a hard day today. Hope all is well in the markets. Little ones, you know what? All is okay in the markets today. Farmy's getting hit pretty hard, but as far as like AMC, GameStop go, they're doing great. Shiba Inu coin, I mean, it's following the overall crypto market, so it's not doing fantastic today. But every once in a while, man, you got to take a step back and just be grateful for what you have. And go feed a squirrel, dude. I'm going to show you guys a video in a second here. Feeding a squirrel. It really is amazing. Congrats on 11 million views. Pika, thank you very much for watching daily. Lisa, really appreciate anybody that watches daily. Really appreciate you. Whether it's the live stream, whether it's the videos, whether if you guys just clicking the watch button and letting it play in the background, or I understand. I post a lot of content, right? I've got I live stream for 2.5 hours a day. I've got 3 videos that come out a day. I completely understand that people don't have 3 hours a day to dedicate to watching my stuff. So, anybody that just supports the channel in any way you guys are awesome. I understand 3 hours a day it's 10% of your entire day, 12%. It's a long time. So, I mean, almost like what, 20% of your waking day. So you guys are really very, very, very appreciated. You're great, bro. Asif, you're great, man. We're going to be so freaking rich. Need for Speed. Yes, we are, man. Really well. I haven't seen her yet. Oh, my goodness. I didn't see her. Did she lose her power? No, she did not lose her power. Come on. MPP spent $46.8 million on 2 Suezmax tankers. MPP will soar soon. Hey, man. Keith, I don't know what a Suezmax tanker is, man. Congratulations. Soon you will get to play. Guys, it's going to be sweet in the background. I don't know if I'll put the play button in the living room where I do the videos or up here. But, man, we're going to have lava lamps. We're going to have King of the Crown or King of the Chat. We're going to have a framed Charizard. We're going to have a play button in the background. It is going to be awesome. Shib Army here. Boom, Lisa, I love it. Part of the Shiba Army myself. Clever, I had some time during your meetings to play your videos in the background, and I like to help support the channel. Hey, Meta Pockets, that's awesome, dude. That's awesome. Seriously, you guys have no idea how much just, even if you share it like with your brother, YouTube still looks at those analytics. They look at how many people share it, where it's shared. They look at how many people view it, obviously, how long people view it for. They look at how many people click the like button. All of that crap just gets bundled up together into whatever algorithm they have. And literally any support whatsoever is awesome. So you guys play it during a meeting. You guys just keep it on or something like that. Perfect. So cute, but squirrels are annoying. Annoying me digging up my yard this year and leaving acorns instead of my plants. Well, Cassie, they wanted to give you a little present. Post B-Day hangover, you the trip club popping bottles, compliments of Awana. Outdoor Smile. Actually, I did stay up till 11:30 last night watching Senior Year, whatever that movie with Rebel Wilson is. Oh, yeah, man. So, definitely, I woke up this morning like, oh, my gosh, I'm tired. I was tired when I woke up. Trevor, you missed my hi. Oh my gosh, Trevor, go say hi to Paul. All of this will be in the background. All of this will be in the background in 2033. JB, that is correct, man. That is correct. We will be, oh God, 44 years old. We will be celebrating my birthday, and finally, all of that stuff will be in the background. JB, you guys are ripping on me. Nick F needs to come over this weekend and help me hang a wall and get all this stuff going, I guess. I don't know what you got going on there. Anything in the class will eventually burn the supply up. James, I don't know if they'll burn the entire supply off, but I do think that you are going to see a community rally around Luna Classic. There will be people who want Luna 2.0. There will be those, Dogecoin followers. But I do believe that there are the lunatics now that will be around Luna Classic. And yes, they will have burn campaigns the same way that Shiba Inu coin has burn campaigns. Do I think that they're going to burn it overnight? No, I truly don't think that they're going to burn it overnight. But I do think that they will be into burning Luna the same way that they're into burning Shiba. Let's see if I can pull this up. Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from? Yeah, watch this. Oh man, do I want full screen? No, I don't want full screen. I can't even see anybody now. Let's see if I can do this. If I move this over here, okay. If I move, I don't even know if this is going to work. This here. Does it go full screen? Yeah, this was my morning, guys. This was my morning. Check this out. Watching those little guys wrestle. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Calm down. Then look at this guy. He's like, oh, hey, don't mind if I do. What is this? You've got some nuts in your hand. Oh, yeah. Do I want a peanut? Do I want a sunflower seed? Nope, I want a pecan. Yep, he chose. That's the one he wants. And then this guy right here, you see that? Bit my finger. Little baby chipmunks, they always bite your finger, and I don't know why. Yeah, that dude bit my finger. And then he's like, oh, okay. I'll take some sunflower seeds. I'll take some of those. And then last but not least, Chip Bro jumped in the house. He's like, dude, you can't forget about me. No, wrestler, they're brothers, man. They're brothers. They were just wrestling. That's all they were doing. Yeah. Chip Bro had his fill, and then he was like, whoop, time to go. Nice. No, it really was a good morning, man. I never fed a squirrel in my entire life. I fed one today. And then I fed that little baby chipmunk for the very first time today. So it was a good morning for me, guys. It was a good morning. Outdoor Smile, I'm telling you, man, they were wrestling. They were wrestling. If you guys want to watch that video later, it is on my Twitter. M&D, I love seeing you in a green name. I love seeing M&D in a green name too, Pika. What can be done to Ape? Brian, good question, man. I don't know if a lot's going to be done to ApeCoin specifically, but I'm actually excited about ApeCoin. So I'm still watching all this crypto, guys. I'm giving such a large focus on Bitcoin at this $30,000 level, and I'm going to be on, like, if you're looking at this, it does look like it's trying to make another leg down here, and I am getting the feeling that 30 is going to be too hard for people to keep their heads above the water, people to keep the price of Bitcoin above 30. It does look like it wants to break down a little bit, and unfortunately, if it does, I'm not going to lie, man, I think that we're going to see some extremely cheap prices in crypto, possibly very similar to 2018 through 2021. I mean, if you want to be a crypto millionaire, I think that we may have the opportunity here to all become crypto millionaires. And I'm not even saying if we go out and we invest, $100,000 in crypto. I'm talking, we could see prices in some of these altcoins easily 100x, 200x, because they are going to be ripped in value. If Bitcoin does just decide to have its bottom fall out, and if it comes back down to here. So I'm kind of excited about it if it does happen, because why? Not because I want to lose in the short term, not because I want to sit here and sit on losses, because I truly do believe in the potential of cryptocurrencies long term. And if we do get one more massive buying opportunity, I've got to take advantage of it. And I think it's going to work out well for all of us if we do. But yeah, in the meantime, clearly nobody wants to see losses. Rolled AMC cash clear puts, earning another $84 for this week. Hopefully these numbers will remain until Moaz. Frank, good deal, man. Dang, man, Frank is just stacking cash. Is he stopping the stream altogether, or is he taking the mask off? Is it really TMI's last masked live stream today? Swole Team 6, I don't know, because I thought he was posting stuff about no mask May or something like that. I don't know. I thought he was going to be done with his mask in May. But I really don't know what he's got planning on doing. Hate to say it, but I think a bit will break, and I don't see 28,000 support holding strike. Emma, I hate to say it too, because of the short-term mentality of a lot of investors out there, that we have to make our money and we have to make it now. But I'm feeling the same thing when you're looking at the price of Bitcoin and how it doesn't seem like it wants to hold. Everyone likes a little nip on the finger. Is that what we're talking about? Hey, Clay, bro. I hope you're having a fantastic Friday. Got a quick question. Terra Luna, how can anybody trade if everybody's delisting? Hey, Clay, bro. I hope you're having a fantastic Friday. Joseph, I hope you're having a fantastic Friday as well, man. So look, Terra Luna Classic is not Terra Luna. It's not necessarily being delisted. So what is happening is Terra Luna changed its name to Luna Classic. And you will still be able to have your Luna Classic there. Terra Luna 2.0 is another coin, and you will be airdropped that coin once it opens back up for trade. So right now it is still suspended. The last I looked, right before the live stream, still suspended on Voyager, and for some reason you're not able to trade it yet. But it doesn't mean that it's necessarily being delisted. It just means that it is currently suspended until everything is worked out with the airdrop and with Terra Luna 2.0. It's Tuesday. Mask off. Oh my goodness. Hey, speaking of Tuesday, I would say at this point, 99% chance. I don't know how long it's going to last. So 99% chance there's not going to be a morning live stream. I don't know about the afternoon on Tuesday. Tuesday, my sister's putting on STEM day for the school, and they need some volunteers, so I'm going to be volunteering at least the majority of the day. I don't know what time everything is over with, because I know afterwards they're having a party, they're doing some snow cones and things like that. So I don't know if school lets out at 3:30. I don't know all of the details. That was loud. I don't know all of the details, but 99% sure there's not going to be a morning live stream on Tuesday because I will be volunteering for STEM Day. Paul, going vibrato lately. Yeah, do it, man. It's my money and I want it now. Roulette wheel. Me too, man. Danelle can't make it today. It's her and Jason's 28... Long time, man. Incredible. Hey, Danelle, if you're not listening right now, which I know you're not because you're not in here, happy anniversary. I hope you guys have an amazing weekend. Vivek, what's going on, man? Claudinho, Dabrozinho, Duo Halloweenio, Mr. Simoninho, how you doing? Hello, thank you for all your videos. I have a question. I have 2 million Luna Classic in Binance. I just want to know if they will be converted directly or if I have to do something. So, Vivek, I have read that Binance is supporting Luna 2.0. As far as I know, you do not have to do anything. If you are holding your Luna Classic in, I saw so many different exchanges, Dogecoin retweeting so many different exchanges. If you're holding your Luna Classic in a centralized exchange and it is currently suspended, I am 99% positive that all of the exchanges are going to completely accommodate you. You will just see it in your portfolio at that point. You're not going to have to go out there and buy it and do anything, it will show up in your portfolio. That is, I think that's why it's taking a little bit longer than expected, is because, you know, they're trying to figure everything out and make it as smooth as possible. But yeah, you shouldn't have to do anything at all, man. The Dogecoin was able to make Luna 2.0 in 3 weeks. JB, I don't like Luna 2.0, right? I don't like, yeah, yes, he was. Yes, he was. Yep. Incredible, isn't it? Incredible. Or is Jason one of her cats? Jason could be one of her cats that's 28 years old. Remy, I wish she wasn't, because I'd be the first in line to... Whoa, doing what now? I missed what was going on there. Clay, did you see my comment? Sam Demand, no, I did not see it, man. I did not see it. Launch of Luna delayed until the 30th. It's on Twitter. Okay, Nicholas, good to know, man. I did not see that one. I actually saw this morning, I was reading through what happened to Luna Terra in the first place. Sam Demand, I actually think your comment may have been held or something. I just scrolled back up and I didn't see any comments from you. I see this one right here. Binance just wait. So, Jan, I'm actually just waiting right now. I have added a little, like no significant amount, to my Shiba Inu coin. But I am, at this point, I'm waiting. Why am I waiting? I have such a strong focus on this $30,000 line. If it doesn't hold up, I do not want to buy. If it does hold up, like if we get a couple nice green days in a row and we start to run, I'm okay with missing out on a 10% run here in order to kind of have that confirmation cost that we are going back up. But man, to me, it doesn't seem like the price wants to sustain right now. So that's why I'm waiting. I know some other people are adding, and they believe this 30,000 might hold up, or they're just, you know, continuing to dollar cost average as time goes on. But I really have a strong focus on this $30,000 mark, because I'm not convinced that if it breaks this, I'm not convinced that it has much support at all until you get back down to that $10,000 range. And if Bitcoin falls down to $10,000, guys, you're going to be hearing people all over mainstream media, all over the news, all over your friends and all of that. They're going to be saying that crypto is crap. They're going to be saying that crypto is dead and it's over with. And you're going to have a choice to make. You're going to either believe that crypto is dead, or, you know, you're going to look at it and say, this is exactly like 2018, 2019, 2020. This may last for a while. But if you're looking at prices and you're saying, man, I could have bought Zcash at $12 and it ran to 300. I could have bought Solana at $1 and it ran to 250. I could have bought, you know, the list goes on. I could have bought Ethereum at $80 and it ran to $5,000. You're going to have a choice to make, whether you believe that crypto is dead or you believe crypto has a future. I believe crypto has a future. If you do not, that is completely fine. But if you do, you know, we could be seeing some last-in-a-lifetime opportunities to buy into crypto. Please smash the like button. Please listen to Trapper. I've dollar cost averaged to death. I'm waiting. Yeah, Emma. At this point, I feel the same way, right? At this point, I feel the same way. But I really do believe that we are most likely going to see some better prices here. I think there's a lot going on that's scaring investors right now, and I really do believe that we could see a decent run, you know, to the downside before we see it up. Okay, Sorgan for too many questions. No, Sam the man. No, dude. Nobody's ever got too many questions, man. Let me put it that way. Nobody's ever got too many questions. That's why we're here. That's why it's a Q&A live stream, and that's why I do the live streams in the first place. It's not so, you know, we can just sit here and day trade or anything like that. I know people do day trade, but a lot of it is just Q&A style, and if people have questions, I want to see those questions asked and answered. Waiting to see if the bottom falls out to clean up or sit in the bag. I refuse to dollar cost average any more small dips. Yeah, Emma, and I don't think this next dip, I really don't think this next dip would be small. If Bitcoin falls through 30, you know, I'm looking at 20, like the 20 range that we hit in 2017, and then once in 2021. We stayed there for about a month in 2021. But I'm not convinced we won't see 10,000 again on Bitcoin. Crypto is the future. What goes down must come up. Just wait for the pandemic to be over. Yeah, WJB, man, I don't think that you're wrong on that. I really don't. I think that people have been conditioned to fear. I didn't see any questions from you. Yeah, JB, I didn't see any either, man. I don't know if it got held. Usually, if it gets held, I mean, the mods can see it. I can't see it if I'm only in Streamlabs. I can see it if I go open up the chat directly on YouTube, but I can't see it if it gets held. Like, you guys actually have more access to the chat than I do. I'm new. I've done nothing but lose. Jan, look, you're not doing it wrong. Let me say this. If you are new, literally any time in the last year, okay, especially if you're new from like October, November on, even if you got in before October, November, you know, you may have had a nice couple weeks, nice couple months, and then back down. But if you are new, this is both fortunate and unfortunate. So if you are new, yes, you entered either at the beginning or just prior to a bear market. And that sucks because you're going to have the mentality that, yeah, I mean, it's just a pit. It just keeps going down and down and down, and it only ever goes down, and it's just a loss and things like that. You are not doing anything wrong. It is the bear market that we are in, and it's impossible, okay? It's impossible for things to go up when people are so shrouded in fear that they can't move forward, and that's what we're seeing right now. It can go even lower. I don't think that it can't go lower. Don't think that there is a bottom anywhere. It can always go lower. But I'm going to tell you that if you are here during a bull run, if you're here during a bull market, you are going to feel invincible. You are going to feel invincible. And honestly, the fact that you came in during a bear market may be much better than ever coming in during a bull market. Because if you feel invincible and you think that you cannot lose, you're going to have a mentality that really allows you to get wiped out. If you come in during a bull market and you see that, yeah, it is possible to lose, you may end up being a little bit more conservative. And as the bull market happens and you are making 5, 10x gains like every few months, it's going to feel incredible, but you're going to have to remember that it doesn't last forever, okay? That's the most important part. It doesn't last forever. Everything hits a top, everything pulls back, and then it all happens in cycles, okay? A lot of people, let me tell you, a lot of people that have been investing over the last couple of years, they think that it only ever goes up. And it's unfortunate, but one of the main reasons we've seen people explaining off the current downtrend is manipulation and corruption. And that's tough, man, because all bull markets come to an end. They're followed by bear markets, and then the bull rally starts again, and we bust through all-time highs. So you are getting a very valuable lesson right now. Hey, bro, I meant ask Pika too many questions, and she angry. No, Pika don't get angry. Pika's never angry. If Bitcoin drops 10,000, I'm going to sell my wife's kids and my wife's kid's dog and going all in. Tony, boom, baby. Are you going all in on Bitcoin? Because I do think, if Bitcoin goes down to 10 grand, clearly going all in on Bitcoin could be very cool. But I don't know if you're going to see like a 100x increase on Bitcoin. If Bitcoin goes below 10 grand and you're literally sitting on Solana back down at $5, you're sitting at, Binance coin maybe at $30, Ethereum's sitting at maybe $250, $500. There's going to be a lot of opportunities, man. And I do agree, right? I do agree. Here's the thing though, okay? If Bitcoin goes to 10 grand, it doesn't mean that it can't go to 5. So please, I really don't want to see anybody going out there and leveraging themselves in a way or taking on debt. It might be enticing. Dude, if you're sitting on the entire equity in your house, people could be tempted. Dude, Bitcoin's at 10 grand, man. I got to go out there. I can literally 50x the value of my house if I go buy Ethereum right now at $200 per coin. I've got to do it. Well, dude, you do that, and all of a sudden, Ethereum comes down to $100. That's bad. Don't ever go in so far that it can ruin your life or anything. You got to maintain a sense of responsibility as well. But I do think that we are going to be seeing some amazing opportunities if you can make it through the heartache and the emotion of losses. Right now, down 8. Jan, look, yeah, right now I am down as well. In the chat, let's say this in the chat. Is there anybody whose portfolio is, especially in the meantime, or in recent times, is anybody's portfolio up? Maybe a few percent of the green or something, but is anybody's portfolio just soaring right now? If you are long, the answer almost has to be no. The answer almost has to be no. Shredder, you messing with me? I don't know what Shredder said. Yeah, he's messing with you. Shredder, I don't know, Shredder, you messing with somebody? Oh, we're in the trouble because we lose the money. We lose the money we have in the cryptocurrencies on Coinbase. So hopes there's a different coin that can save us all from things. Yeah, D, man, I hope another coin comes out and does save us, man. I don't know if it's gonna be one coin or not, but we need something to save us. Nufo! Nufo, catch you, man. Thank you very much, Nufo. Really appreciate that super sticker. The cat is one of the best ones. We're going to pull this mic over here. I don't know if I was there. Yeah, down. Dude, I'm telling you. I'm down too, man. I'm down too. I think a lot of people are down right now, Jan. I'm down. Check. Only lose when you sell. Never. Yeah, Ricks, that's a thing too, though. Look, we are in a down market. And a lot of people say that you only lose when you sell. It does have a sense of reality to it, and it's got a sense of truth to it. But let's look at it this way. Let's say you are down, oh man. Let's say you had Bitcoin. And this might be one of the reasons we're seeing a lot of people and a lot of whales move over into Shiba Inu coin. If you've got Bitcoin and you're down 50%, right now, that sucks. Shiba Inu coin is down about 85% right now. It's not impossible. If you think that this is the bottom, okay, you've got a choice to make. Do you break even by allowing Bitcoin to rise back up to where you got, or do you take your loss and you believe this is the bottom? Remember, do you take your loss on Bitcoin and put it in Shiba Inu coin? Bitcoin's going to double if it goes back to where it was. Shiba Inu coin is going to 8x to go back to where it was. It is not always bad to recognize a loss in two situations. One, it's not bad to recognize a loss if you think it's going to go down even further. You're saving yourself from extending that loss, and you're saving yourself from having to deal with that. And you can also buy back in at a lower place. So if you believe it's going to go lower, awesome. It's not always terrible to recognize a loss. If you believe that something based on, different betas, something is going to move exponential to the market. Bitcoin is the overall cryptocurrency market. If it's going to double and Shiba's going to 8x, it makes sense to close out a loss on Bitcoin and put it in Shiba at that point and 8x your money instead of 2x your money. So yeah, you a lot of people do get stuck in the mentality that you only ever lose if you recognize that loss. But sometimes recognizing that loss is extremely beneficial. And I don't want anybody to ever get caught up in the fact that you cannot recognize a loss. Hey, bro, my question is gone. No, Sam the man. What is going on with your questions today, man? Hey, why is everyone so worried about crypto? Crypto Rocketeer. Like, in general, or why is everybody, so interested in crypto? Crypto Rocketeer, I don't know if we're necessarily worried about it, but, I mean, if Bitcoin does fall, dude, I think we're going to see a much larger loss. I'll hold you to it. I didn't see what Swole Team 6, but I like it. Pika, make him a man of his word. If your portfolio is stressing you out, don't look at it for a couple of weeks. Set yourself alerts and chill. Hey, WJB, honestly, that's advice. That's good advice, too. there's a difference between, and I want to point it out too. There's a difference between investing and trading. Trading, you have to look at your portfolio. I mean, it's at that point you have to make decisions, potentially, multiple times a day if you're day trading. But if you're trading, you need to be buying and selling, and booking profits, booking losses, booking profits, booking losses, and so on. If you're investing, you're right, man. Sometimes all you need to do, where are we at here? Yeah, if you're investing, sometimes all you need to do is go outside, man. Go outside and watch the squirrels, and you're going to be good to go. You got these little guys wrestling around, and then you got Shipro, man, just coming in. These guys don't care about portfolios and money and any of that. These guys just care about grabbing some nuts. That's all they want to do. So, yeah. Sometimes it doesn't pay to be stressed, man. It's a great idea. I'm never going to sell, taking my crypto to the grave with me. That way, I can never lose. Remy. Good deal, man. Good deal. You could probably end up dying a billionaire, too. Let's see. I did it. I proposed. She said yes if Luna moons. Boom! Let's go. Caesar. She said yes if Luna moons. I don't know if that's a good thing or not, man. I don't know if that's a good... She said yes if Luna moons, or you literally did. Thank you, Pika. No, she did say yeah. Okay, good. Oh, goodness. I'm glad she said yes, Caesar. I'm glad she said yes. You had me worried for a second there, thinking that she said yes only if Luna moons. And I'm like, no, that's what's going on with Luna. Harris, I'm pretty sure Luna is still, gosh, man. I got this knot, dude, right in my back right here. I hit it with a massager last night, and it's so sore today. I don't like nuts. Roulette wheel. You gotta like some nuts, man. Come on. I bet your heart was pounding. Yeah, it probably was. Caesar, man. Congratulations, though. That is incredible, and I'm glad you told us. As my ex said, El Campo. What, you just gotta grab some nuts? Is that what you're talking about? This market is how millionaires are made. Just buy the dip and buy more and hold when the market flips. Welcome to a new life. Hemi, you are exactly right, man. You are exactly right. Those that give up, especially in crypto, right, because of it is extremely volatile, those that give up will not make it. Wana! Oh my gosh, Wana. Thank you very much in the super chat. Guys, I don't know. The picture shows up a little bit. Did Wana get a new picture? I think Wana may have gotten a new picture. It does look a little different on when it's bigger like that. Oh, Wana. Gracias, Wana. Thank you very much for the super chat. Oh my goodness. Somebody got it, because since Wana won't answer me, did Wana get a new picture? It looks new to me. It looks new, but I don't want to say yes. Wana. Yes, Samanino. I wanna. Wanna find Clay's heart? Oh my gosh, one day at a time. Wanna, seriously, thank you very much for the super chat. Wanna, is it a new picture? Let's just say it, right? It's a beautiful picture, Wanna. I want to know if it's new. Wanna's never gonna answer the chat. Oh, let's see. I don't think Wana owns any crypto because she's the only one that has money left. Roulette wheel. That might actually be true, man. That might actually be true. I don't know if Wana's got any crypto or not because she's still got money left over. Everybody else is sitting here in the red. Roulette wheel might be onto something. Guys, GameStop coming down a little bit right now. Not really liking the action in GameStop here. Throwing some red lines on the chart like that. Not liking what I see on GameStop. AMC pulling back as well. Farmy pulling back as well right here. NASDAQ, what does this look like? Yeah, NASDAQ throwing some red lines on the chart as well. So it does look like we may be trying to turn over in the market right now. We're going to have to see. Oh, mods, check the comments. That is what he said. How much do you make on video? So, Sam Demand, it all depends. But and what does it depend on? How long people watch the video and so on. What it boils down to is it's literally a fraction of a cent for every time an ad is displayed. So at the beginning, you watch the beginning of the videos, and every time you click on the beginning of a video, it brings you like a 6-second skippable ad. And let's put it this way. It really varies too with how much the advertisers pay, and then based on that, how much YouTube allows you to take. But let's just use a half a cent for an example. If you make a half a cent for an ad, then that 6-second ad gives you a half a cent. Even if you click skip, right? It's a half a cent. If you just wait till that 8-second ad plays and then click skip on the second one, it basically doubles the money. You've seen 2 ads at that point. If you get the ad in the middle of the video, then there's your other half of a cent. So it all boils down to how long people watch the video, how many ads YouTube puts on the video, what type of ad they put on the video, whether or not it's one of those little tiny display ads that shows up in like the lower third of the video too. Those are basically worthless. They don't pay anything for those. But it really all depends, man, on how long people watch. And then if they just click skip when there's 2 ads, it takes into it as well. Thank goodness I know I missed something. When gas money, Bobby, everybody needs gas money, man. Sam, we already discussed with respect from the ladies in the room. God, I know I missed something, man. The Fed should raise rates on the banks and Feds, not Shredder. They essentially do, man. They essentially do. So they are raising the bank rate when they're talking about, man, GameStop's getting hit hard down here. So that's what they are raising is the bank rate. But you're never going to see a bank not transfer that loss or savings over to you. They're very less likely to transfer a savings over to you. But if they are charged more, they're going to transfer that charge over to the customer, and they're going to hit you for more. So if they're paying more for interest and borrowing their money, they're going to charge you more to borrow money off of them. So it's got that trickle-down effect. I guess they could make a rule where it doesn't boil down to retail consumers, but that's one of the reasons they do it, is to increase spending or decrease spending. If money costs more, people are less likely to spend it. If you can earn 50% on your money in a bank account, you're not gonna spend your money. You're gonna go out there and you're gonna save your money and get hit with that 50% interest rate. Every year you're bringing in an extra 50%. You're less likely to spend. You're more likely to save. If you have to borrow and you have to pay 50% to borrow, you're not gonna borrow that money and go spend it. You're just not. You're gonna live within your means at that point, and you're not going to take on any debt to go out and spend it. So raising interest rates is how they control people's spending behaviors. And if less people are spending, there's going to be less demand out in the market, and that in theory, if less people are out buying, businesses are going to have to charge less to encourage people to spend their money. Wow, all of a sudden this cost me, that steak cost me $15 a pound. Now it costs me $9 a pound. I'm more willing to go buy it. So now I'm going to go buy it. It's their idea of how to bring inflation down, how to bring prices down, and control inflation that way. It's all about controlling you, and it's all about controlling me. They want to control our spending. And then, hey, if money is extremely cheap and you can borrow $500,000 at 1% annualized interest, and you're only paying $5,000 a year in interest to borrow that $500,000, maybe you'll go out and buy a house. Maybe you'll go out and buy a house, dude. If it costs you $50,000 a year in interest to go borrow that, you're not going to do it. So it is all about controlling how you and I spend our money. Zachary, thank you very much for the super sticker. Zachary says, click that like button. Click that like button. Click that like button. Thank you very much, Zachary. And reminding everybody to click that like button. Zachary, thank you very much for the super sticker, man. And look whose name is still on the top of the screen. Wanna. Juan isn't even talking to the chat, man. I don't know what Juan is doing right now. I don't know if she's at work. I don't know if she's at home. I don't know if she's just listening. I don't know if she's watching. Watching is not a word. I don't know if she's watching right now. I don't know what Juana is doing. Come on, Juana. Lou Boy had a little jealous and envy in his chat. Me? I don't know who you're talking about. Giovanni, here's my theory. ApeCoin was project devised by hedge funds to rug and pick retail's pockets so they can live another day in the market. Alvin, yeah, I'm not sure if ApeCoin is a ploy by the hedge funds. I think that ApeCoin is going to see increased demand in the future when Yuga Labs does their next NFT project. I really do. If they price it in ApeCoin, man, I really expect ApeCoin's price to go up during the next NFT project. What's up, Clay? Live content. Matthew, thank you very much. How you doing? Peace out to you, man. Glad to have you in here, for real. I've only got 100 in Shiba. Let's roll the dice. Put another 100. Ooh, Jan Sam's getting ready to go. Here. We'll give you the same treatment we gave Danelle yesterday, okay? And it clearly did not work out, or the day before, whenever it was. Should Jan put another $100 into Shiba Inu coin right now? We are asking the Magic 8 Ball. Jan. Oh, you can't see it. Jan, it says don't count on it. It says don't count on it, Jan. I don't know. Might be a bad day for Shiba if the 8 Ball says don't count on it. Not sure. Juana Silva, a saluda in El Chat. Let's go. Juana, where are you? We need you, Juana. To fill up my tank, I had to spend $85. No one has extra money to spend at Walmart and Target. Hey, you're right. You're right. Roulette wheel. Gosh, you know, I'm glad that I drive a Kia Forte that gets roughly 40 miles per gallon, and I never really go anywhere. But yeah, dude, it costs like what, $50 right now, maybe lower 50s to fill the car up. That's bad. You know, it should be costing me like $20 to fill the car up, but it is. It's tough, man. It's tough, and that's in Ohio. I know you guys out in California and West Coast and stuff with your gas prices $7, $8, $9 per gallon. Like, I can't even fathom that. I went and had the other night when I tweeted out that I was over at my grandpa's house. You know, we went and grabbed some pizza, and we went to a restaurant, me and him, and we had some pizza. And he's looking at gas prices, and he's like, "Man, that is crazy." It was $4.49, and I'm like, you know, it's. Well, I'll go on with it. I'm like, you know, it's probably going to go up even more around Memorial Day as well. But I'm telling him, that's here. Those prices are here. California, you're talking $6, $7, $8, $9 per gallon. And he couldn't believe it. You know, he couldn't believe it. And I can't really believe it either if you sit there and think about it. How is it possible, man, that people are able to go to the grocery store and buy ridiculous amounts of food for ridiculous prices? Then they go to the gas pump, dude. If they're spending $8 per gallon on gas and it costs them $150, $200 to fill their car up, and then they got to go to work every single day and they're filling their car up at least once a week, sometimes twice a week if you guys got a decent commute. You know, I don't know how people are making it happen right now. She said, "Hi, Juana, we love you." Juana! Hola, Juana. Yes, we do love you, Juana. Come on. Let's see. Hola, Juana. ¿Cómo está? What? Also, bro. Hello, Juana. Say something to bro. You're awesome, bro. Merlin, thank you very much. And Juana is awesome. I fill it up with 120, but it's a MB Turbo. I know I'm missing something on MB there. And she's a Bitcoin to buy pizza. Zachary, I did not use a Bitcoin to buy pizza, and I am thankful that I didn't, but I'm thankful that that guy did. Does anybody know like what happened with those 10,000 Bitcoin? I'm sure you could follow that transaction, but did the Papa John's owner that accommodated that dude and gave him the 2 pizzas for 10,000 Bitcoin, does he still have those? Like, is he sitting on $300 million right now, or did he sell them did he sell them for like double price? He just made $4 worth of, or he probably made a pizza worth, you know, $50 before he sold them. I never knew what happened to those coins. Matthew, yes. I do. I do, man. Well, let me say why, though, because don't just take anything that I say is going to happen. I don't think Bitcoin is going to hold 30,000. So therefore, I do think that Ethereum is going to fall to that 1,600 level. I think that it actually could go lower if Bitcoin continues lower. So, those are my thoughts. Don't actually invest based on my thoughts. Take a look at it for yourself. If you also believe that Bitcoin is going to fall below 30,000 and Ethereum is going to follow it lower, then, dude, in that case, invest in your own confidence. But I do think that we would see those prices. Thanks for reinstating my crown, Pika. Oh, yes! Glaber, how much bone is good for me? Sam, same deal as any other asset for that matter. If you are going to lose sleep over it, it is not a good amount for you. If you are not going to lose sleep over it, it is a good amount for you. Juana, bienvenido. Al Mayor? I don't know. My Spanish is terrible. Welcome to the best channel on YouTube. Happy that you are here. See, my Spanish is bad, but I can read it. Yes. Juana, welcome to the best one. A Mexican living in the USA. Nice, Juana. Listen, I got to get better. My Spanish has to improve, Juana. It does. I can read it okay. But do you speak Portuguese by chance? Do you speak Portuguese? Você fala português ou não? Lost 30,000 in options last week. After tears, sleepless nights, I needed a break, but I'm back. Account is reloaded and ready to go. Eddie O. Dude, it happens, man. It happens. I don't know if you're messing with us or not, but it does happen. And especially if you're playing leveraged assets like options or commodities. I know you can get messed up in the foreign exchange. Or even if you're leveraging crypto on futures exchanges, you can easily lose that amount of money. Dude, overnight. I mean, you can lose that amount of money overnight if you're leveraging. Hey, what is this line on AMC? Can you move it up a little? Yeah, dude, stupid line, man, holding us back. JB, I didn't even notice, man. Well, guys, the line was my fault. Let's go 1375. We'll give it a little break at 1375. Yeah, JB, man. That was my bad, man. That was my bad. What was that? Do you guys really not remember what that line was, though? That line was, we were looking at the daily chart, and that was the next level of resistance that we had on there. And it was holding up, this line right in here. It was holding up as resistance. So we'll give it a little more room to run. My goodness, I didn't even realize that I was the one holding AMC back. So, yeah, JB, I got you, man. I got you. We moved that line up a little bit, way up here now. So we're going to be good. We'll see it move up now. Let's see. Papa John owner still owns some of the Bitcoin and is living large, according to Crypto George. Roulette wheel. Yeah, it would be pretty easy to. I don't know how he would know if he's living large or not, but it would be pretty easy to just follow that wallet transaction and then see where those Bitcoin are. Like if he still has some of them. Clearly, I don't think the dude needs 10,000 Bitcoin. But I am glad to see that he's still sitting on some of them and has a nice wallet there. Bitcoin could see the teens, and Shib could see 500, 700. Brandon, I agree, man. I agree. I'm a dreamer. I keep hoping my crypto will hit. Jan, if you allow it to, it's got a good chance. I mean, if you allow it to, it's got a good chance. I don't know if you're expecting, whatever crypto you're holding to, 10,000x in value and be sitting on $1 trillion valuation or anything like that. But yeah, if you allow it to run, we're facing a bear market right now. So what you're seeing is very, very difficult times for any cryptocurrency to run. Yes, this is the best YouTube channel. Juana, thank you. Man, Juana, I'm so glad you're in here. Heard Ethereum and Future 100x. John James, man, I hope you get it. Ethereum? A Future 100. I don't know what Ethereum is. I haven't even heard of that. But if it's Future 100x, man, I hope you get it. Jan, it will hit. Be patient. We are all waiting. Brandon, we got to outwait. We have to outlast this bear market. Whether you guys sell and get back in, or will you hold it through it, or continue to buy as it goes down, whatever your strategy is, I absolutely hope that you make it through the bear market and you're here for the bull market that comes afterwards. Pika, thank you now Pika, I don't know if you're using that because you said we need to get rid of that dumbbell and we need a crown instead, or if you're saying, oh my gosh, man, thank you for the workout. Pika power. Put the crown. I mean, the crown looks amazing, right? What does this sticker do? I thought it was the crown since you made the dumbbell reference on Twitter yesterday. Makes you work out a little bit. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, what a workout. My biceps are sore now, Pika. Thank you very much. Yeah, of course I saw your tweet, Pika. Come on, you think I'm not seeing tweets out there, guys? Of course I'm seeing tweets out there. You think I just live in like a box? No, I live in a house, man. I got a phone. Clay Bro, how to buy AMC. Same demand. Step number 1, sign up for Webull. Use the link in the description below. Super simple to set up your account. You're going to get 6 free stocks and $5 crypto trades. Going to get you $1 crypto trades. Going to get you $5 in free crypto. Second step, you're going to have to make a deposit, right? Because you need money to buy it. After your deposit settles, which it may not even need to settle, they may give you, depending on the amount of the deposit, instant buying power. And then you go out. And this is on desktop, and I took all my buy buttons off, so you guys can't see them. But you would open it up, whether you're on your desktop or you're on your phone, and you would click on AMC there, and then down to the bottom left of the phone, and I believe top right of desktop there, you are going to have a trade button. You're going to click on trade, and then you're going to have the option to set a limit order or a market order, and you're going to choose the price that you want to buy AMC at, and you're going to click buy. And then if it's market order, it's going to immediately buy it. If it is a limit order, it's going to wait until it hits the price you want to buy it at, and then it's going to buy it. But you need a broker, you need some money, and you need to click buy. Simple as that to go buy AMC, man. They make it very easy because they want you to trade as often as possible. They make money every time you click the buy and sell button. Speak a little Dutch, Arabic, I don't even know what Pashto is, Adari, and Spanish and Spanglish. Dang it, Pudgy, how the heck you know so many languages, man? Whatever you do, don't sell until you have the money you want. Brandon Banks, man. Yeah, and like I say, though, that's not in every situation and scenario. You can arbitrage a loss and say, well, my asset fell 50% in value, but this asset fell 99% in value. Both of them should rise as the market is going up. I'm going to sell my asset and buy this asset because mine's got a chance to double and this one's got a chance to 100x. So in that situation, I mean, it would make sense to buy if you didn't have sell if you didn't have the amount of money you wanted. But yeah. King of the chat, Pika throwing out crowns. I like it. Whoa, payment for order flow. Oh, I forgot about payment for order flow, JB. Yeah, I forgot about payment for order flow. Darn it, man. Payment for order flow is going to get us. Got to get rid of that double chin, Clay. I know, man. Roulette wheel. I got to work out more to get rid of that double chin. That's the only thing that I want to do. But a bullet sounds the same. Yes, a bullet would sound the same in every language, man. And so would somebody screaming. Whoa, you push the payment for order flow on Webull? Whoa, push it with powder. Yeah, actually, I don't mind payment for order flow. I don't mind payment for order flow at all. Push it with powder. You do or do not like payment for order flow? Let me know. I feel like we're gonna have to have a conversation here. Well, I'm out of water. Watching your Shib chart, Clay, losing all their gains. Darn it! I'm telling you, man. Look, we had some decent gains over in this 5-minute period, and then you're right back down to where we were before. They weren't astronomical gains going. It's just 40 pips from 1086 down to 1046 right here. It's just a 40 pip decline. So it could easily make that back up. But times are tough right now, guys. Times are tough. I'm not even joking. Times are tough in the market. You guys are literally living through a 2008 scenario. Think about that. Everybody always references 2008. You could take a finance class somewhere, the Great Recession of 2008. They're going to be referencing 2008. They should be referencing 2022 because we are living through something right now that is worse than 2008. Didn't realize BBIG has delayed the distribution date. Did he do that? Yeah, man. They came out with that nonsense yesterday, day before yesterday, I think. I think the day before yesterday they came out with that nonsense, man. It really I guess, for an indefinite amount of time. They said possibly at the end of the second quarter. Possibly. Dude, they might not ever distribute Cryptide. That's just what we're looking at there. Is Doge mooning today? Dude, I have not even looked at Doge in a long time. Is Doge at like 8 cents still? Well, Doge is up 5 cents. Doge is not doing too bad today, man. Running to 9 cents. Here's what I like about Doge in this area, though. Does it bring it all the way back here? Yeah. So, look, we are right in this area when it hits this 5-7 cent range. Like, this was massive, massive support back here in this 5 to 6 cent range. So, Dogecoin falling down through this is... It's going to be interesting if Dogecoin falls down through this level right here. I think Bitcoin is going to have to experience some massive losses to see Doge fall down through the 5 cent range. But as far as mooning, I don't know if a 5% increase is necessarily a moon. Zachary, Doge update. Yeah, man. Looking at Doge, we could look at it a little more here. I don't know why Doge would be up 5% today. I would assume that Elon Musk is either saying something or people are speculating about Elon Musk and Twitter and Dogecoin and the tip button and all of that stuff. But as far as, mooning or anything, no, dude, I don't think a 5 to 10% increase is necessarily a moon, especially since it's coming back down. If you look at an hourly chart right here, it did do very nice in the 11 o'clock hour, and during the 12 o'clock hour is pulling back pretty significantly. But I think this is just some added volatility for some reason. I don't think that it's necessarily a moon or getting ready to spike back up to 70 cents. If you guys are holding it, I absolutely hope that it is. But Dogecoin, look, I actually made some money on Dogecoin. I sold my Dogecoin at like 32 or 36 cents, which I'm glad I did now. Put it in Farmy and, losing on Farmy, but I'm still glad that I was able to get out of that with a gain there. And man, Farmy just trading sideways right now. AMC trying to come back up to this level that we moved up here, really hitting resistance in this 1330 level. Shiba Inu coin holding steady at 1048, and GameStop back in the green, 1.30% higher right now. Instead of burning, I think I'm going to buy products that I use anyway on Amazon with Shib, so some will get burned with each transaction. Love to the Clay Bros. Gary, that's an excellent way to do it. I personally don't want to see anybody burning their Shiba Inu coin just to burn it. I would rather see you spending your Shiba Inu coin on things like coffee that you're going to buy anyway, and allowing the Shiba Inu coffee company to burn it. Maybe spending your Shiba Inu coin on, like you say, Amazon, and getting something and allowing now payments or whatever payment processor they're using to burn it. And then buying back in if you want to buy back in, and so on. You're going to buy that stuff anyway. You might as well allow them to burn a little bit of it, and you can buy back in if you want to buy back in. But I do think that that's a little bit more of a responsible and sustainable approach to burning Shiba Inu coin. Elon tweeted, a Tesla merch can be purchased with. Gotcha. Okay, 7 Apes. Good deal, man. I imagined that's what was happening right there. But see, I didn't see his tweet. Where do you think Dogecoin will be in the next year? Pika. That's really tough. Doge is extremely dependent on Elon Musk. And with Elon Musk buying Twitter, if he incorporates Doge into the tip button there, if he continues to promote Doge, if he literally does like send a Dogecoin into space or to the moon or anything like that, it's going to have a lot of hype and a lot of popularity. As far as will it reach $1, I think it's much more likely to reach $1 than something like Shiba Inu coin is, because it's got such a limited supply. So I really think that Doge can go up if Elon continues to embrace it. It's very heavily tied to Elon Musk. Simoninho says, Cladinho, you got the salt shaker, man. You take that salt and you pour that salt out on the table, and because it's good luck, you throw it over your shoulder. And then because you got the salt and you want the chapstick on at the same time, you just go, oh, dude, and it gets in your eye and it's all over your mouth and it's terrible. Simoninho, thank you very much for the salt and the chapstick there, man. Really appreciate you. And you are wild, dude. Wild. Told you that's kind of what I thought too. I sold all my Doge months ago. I was considering buying back in again. Hey, if you think that Elon Musk is going to continue to support it, I think that it's going to see higher prices. Elon might back out at Twitter since the market tanked. He wants a discount on the purchase. Yeah, roulette wheel. I would too. Doesn't mean he's going to back out completely, but I'd ask for a discount too. I mean, the market we're in right now, why not? 1 to 20% through Shib's. Oh, good deal, man. Shane, that's not bad. Like, you talking burn rates there? Musk needs to adopt, dude. If Elon Musk adopted Shib, that would be awesome. Salmon Redemption. That was what? Was he in the crapper? I don't even know what we're talking about there. Oh, it is a 101. Oh my goodness, guys. We're gonna take a little break right now. I'm gonna go back outside. Maybe I'll work out during the break, eat some lunch, and feed some chipmunks and squirrels. If you guys want to watch the video of me feeding the chipmunks and the squirrels, check out my Twitter, Claybro883. You guys got it right here. You can check that out and see Chipbro, see the little baby chipmunk, and see some little baby squirrels out there coming over and eating those nuts. And if not, you guys don't have to watch that. Good deal. But get your names in the chat right now. We will do some shout outs, and then we will be back in the 3 o'clock hour. So, hope to see every single one of you guys back here. Let's do these shout outs, and we'll be back later, man. Caesar, congratulations once again, man. Glad to have you in here as well. Shredda, oh my gosh. Mr. Instinct, John James Power, Pika, Matthew, see you later, Pudgy, Mr. Simoninho, Roulette Wheel, Shane, Shib, Pika, not Shib, Pika, Mr. Simon, Moji, AMC Trevor says, peace out to the diamond-handed apes. Juana Silva, there she is. Juana, thank you very much for being in here today. Thank you for the super chat. And hopefully you have a wonderful afternoon. And see you in the afternoon stream. Remy, see you later. JB, Pika, Roulette Wheel, Keith Kemp, see you later, man. Shredda, John James Power, Moji, Meta, Pika, have an awesome day as well. Jan, Paul, Melamamas, Cassie, Juana, adios to you. Crypto Rocketeer, boom, baby, dabbing on him as always. We got DD214, Aces says, peace, Atemano, see you later. Atemice, 7 Apes, see you later as well. Pudgy, see you later. Enjoy your afternoon. Pika Power, bye Juana, bye Pika, bye Juana, and bye everybody else. Moji, Emma D, missing your horn. I need a horn, man. I need a horn. Yes, and then we can do the little unicorn. But you guys know what time it is. So if you want to say it with me, say it with me. Until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day. Super stickers after I leave. Super stickers after I leave. Emma, this one's for you. You guys got lucky on this one. I almost clicked end. My horn, oh my gosh, my horn is just soft. Come on now. I got you. Emma, you ready for this? Thank you very much, Emma, for the super sticker after I leave. But now you guys know what time it is. So Emma, shout out to you. Pika, Jan, Shredda, JB, Keith, Juana. Enjoy your afternoon. JB, Remy, Hemi Life, Juana, Pika, all of you guys. Hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.